The general form of a function is, see here the syntax first. Return type function, name and parameter list. Body of the function. As we were writing the code inside main, we will write in our own user defined functions the collection of lines. So the return type specifies the type of data that the function returns. A function may return any type of data except an array. The parameter list is a comma separated list of variable names and their associated types. The parameters receive the values of the arguments when the function is called. The function can be without parameters, in which case the parameter list is empty. An empty parameter list can be explicitly specified as such by placing the keyword void inside the parentheses. In the variable declarations, you can declare many variables to be of the same type by using a comma separated list of variable names. In contrast, all the function parameters must be declared individually, each including both the type and name. That is, the parameter declaration list for a function take this form. Basically, there are 4 types in the function. First, we will start with program for addition of 2 numbers by user defined function, that is addition, with no arguments and no return value. So how to declare a variable? To create this program, how to define our own user defined function, we will see stepwise in this program. First, declare the variables. See, actual program inside main is this addition is our own created function. Previously, as we were using strlength, strconcat, upper, lower, those were predefined functions. This addition function is our own user defined function. The actual code we have to write inside this addition function. See here, integer a comma b, any 2 numbers we will accept here. And just display the sum of 2 numbers. Find a comma b and a plus b. In previous program we have seen the code for this program, addition of 2 numbers, but without declaring our own function. So we have created a function. So in this way you can create the block of statements. After creating the addition function, we have to call inside main, and above main also we have to type the name. If any garbage value is there inside memory, so to clear that value we are using a void function here. Fine. If you run this program, press Ctrl F9 and enter any two numbers. See, the addition of 10 and 20 is 30. So we have just created our own function by name addition and called inside the main. This program is through with no arguments and no return value. Now the next type of function is, suppose, program for addition of two numbers by user defined function addition with arguments and no return type. So what is the change inside this code? See here, the second type we are completing. With arguments and no return type. So first change, inside this function we have to pass the parameter, suppose integer x and integer y. Fine. So no need of declaring the variable now. Printf directly we will just display printf the addition of numbers here, x comma y, x plus y. But actual the exception of value will be inside main. We have passed two parameters inside addition function. We are calling an addition function inside main with parameter, see here, a comma b, as inside main we have to declare two variables, a comma b. Clear the screen. Now accept two numbers from a user, enter any two values. Fine. Scanf see here, two values we are accepting, a and b, and those values are passed to addition a comma b, and the parameter of function are x and y. We can't repeat same, we can't initialize the same variables which are declared inside addition function to main body addition function. So the actual value we are passing in a and b, so we have to declare those values inside the parenthesis of addition function. And at the top, how many parameters we are using, we have to declare the data types as per the variable declaration inside those parameters of a function. See, this program with arguments and no return value. We are passing an argument to an addition function. Press Ctrl F9. Fine. So addition of 10 and 20 is 30. Hope you got the difference between the previous program and this program. First, we were accepting the values with no arguments and no return value. In this, with arguments and no return type. So this was the second method of a user defined function.